What? Okay, set up for the first time ever my dad's American Flyer train for Christmas. Put up a platform this year since Vivian's coming up before Christmas and would like her to see it. But I've never set up this train before. Got it. Mom sent it to me after Dad died and had never had a chance to set it up, so I set it up this year. And first day I'm running it is December 10th, 25th anniversary of his passing, so that's kind of bittersweet, but we'll see if it still runs. There it comes. Runs pretty good. The light in the caboose is intermittent. That's because it's still jury rigged from 30 years ago. And I haven't gotten the smoke yet to work, but I'll work on that. But otherwise, it runs pretty well. And we've set up a winter scene with some little Dickens Village houses. And of all things not to work, my HO trolley doesn't work. But I've ordered a replacement and I still got to work on that a little bit. And we've got the tree decorated, sitting on the platform. Back away here for a moment. Shut off the lights. Little Christmas village with the American Flyer train running around. I started to put in the switches, but the transformers doesn't have enough oomph to throw the switches anymore, so I left them out. Turns out the American Flyer transformers is just AC to AC, it's not DC. So I would need to find a different transformer for that, but something to look at in the future. Yeah, I gotta shut that down. All right. There it comes.